My name is Adam Davison, and I am the shop owner at Budget Brake and Muffler Auto Centers in White Rock. I've been tinkering since I was a little boy, but I've been fixing vehicles as an automotive technician for approximately 15 years. I enjoy what I do because I like helping people. I like making sure that their problems get solved in a timely fashion, and I enjoy the tangible aspect of being able to repair something that was broken before. We're a complete, full automotive service shop. We do everything from engine diagnostics to maintenance services to front-end repairs to alignments and many other in between that as well. We strive here to be your neighbor. We really want to see our customers leave with a smile. And I know that's not an easy thing to do all the time because cars are problematic, but we really try our best, and that's what separates us from the competition. We feel that a lot of our customers come back to us because of our timely, friendly, and competent service. We're trustworthy, we're reliable, and we're very honest here at Budget Auto Centers White Rock. Budget, budget, budget.